Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I lowered the gain on the microphone. I don't know if you will be able to hear. Hopefully, I will shut up. I will shut up, and there won't be any need of the microphone. I can't shut up. I don't know why. Okay, let's uh, open the book. In the last episode, we solved for all. No, and now we get to solve uh, exercise 5, 5.5 use use foldRight to implement takeWhile. And that's all she wrote. Okay. I think now I think I can come up with a book and put an exercise and then solve it and give me money. But then again, I'm not trashing these people. I am not trash talking these people. These guys are like a great computer scientists. These two are from the first edition, and this guy, Michael Fisk, is in charge of the second edition. Martin Odersky. Uh, so they are like big guys in the industry. But I can't, can't help to. And that's what learning is all about. Is you doing something. Perhaps we are paying for guidance. But then again, this book is full of advices and information. Uh, but it's up to the reader to what's happening. To actually do the work. And now, just like that, useful right and going to take by. Okay. We have 3 minutes. As always, I can't shut up. It is all right. And we have exists via all right. Now it's time for us to rewrite this function. I'm going to copy paste it, or maybe here. Yeah, well here. And def and take while via false right and it's a predicate. I am nervous. I don't know what's happening with me. I think it's my personality. I mean, I already have solved too many exercises in my life and still the risk of failure. Probably that's happening with me in the job interviews. Lately, I wasn't like this. I was more like in control, more aggressive. But now I am done with that personality. I don't care anymore. It's probably a wrong thing because this is like the jungle. I wish we can use this pattern matching and just get away with this. Like it is here. uh, okay, now we can base our solution in this one exists. They were able to. I don't know. I don't know. Wait, what? I don't know. I don't know what we are going to write. Let's think for free. It is a bad thing, you know. But okay, let's get on with the show. Let's go on with the show. You know, let's copy and paste this. This is what will happen in the future if a machine is able to give you the code for a given problem that you have. Okay, avoid me to think and give me the solution. Most likely. Uh, alright, false, and this is the function. Let's see how many minutes we have. 6 minutes. By the way, I have started. I will shut up. Okay. Take while. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Here it says we are evaluating uh, p of h related that one in here. It is not. It is just like because of the way foldRight is fine. I don't know. I'm lost. Let's start writing to write this thing. All right. What will be our accumulator? Empty. But it says nothing. Remember, we have been doing all these things. Probably we will hit the wall with this, you know. Probably we will have to annotate like the other way. Hopefully no. Now the function. Where is it? Function A, B, if we have a predicate, if uh, P of A, then else uh, B is statewide like filter? I don't know. This is like the filter function. Do we have a takeWhile over here? Yes, I think this will be our proof or test because here I think we are writing filter. Or then again, I don't. 10 minutes. Okay. Is there a console over here? No, we don't have any phones. like this. Yeah, let's write one, AB, and we will. This will be, like in the types. Uh, you see, we found A, an expression like this, nothing requires right, but where it's likely usually, but empty can't be annotated. Mm, there are two errors, I suppose. Okay, what should we? Okay, now can begin with the type. Okay, my lazy list. No, blast. Comments and T. There's list linked. What happens if we annotate this? Yeah, this, type A. We are following what the compiler says. I think, okay, we are one error down, and the compiler help us, which is a good thing. But now I don't think we get it because this is like the filter definition. Uh, so we are going to copy paste this. Let's put in here 0. Oh, we change it. Now, okay, since I think it's okay. It feels like the filter function. Okay, we got a problem. Uh, we got a problem. This is like the filter function. Because takeWhile, if they are all odds, well, it doesn't get anything. There's nothing to take. And in here, we said, okay, just, like, uh, discard this, and now now we need to change over here, and we have takeWhile, else empty, and we do it. And now we are again in tune with okay, we get it. We got it. So this is the answer. Again, we were a little bit lost at the beginning. We we did have we needed to annotate this. This happened the other day, in the Ether. Yeah, in which we weren't able to express in terms of the higher order functions. We did it with pattern matching. I'm okay with that. I don't feel bad. And the problem was that at that point, and here's the great opportunity for a reflection that I did post the problem, because it is a good thing to reflect on the problems that you're solving, which is what Mr. Peter Novick is mentioning in some conference. Uh, Back in that problem in Ada, I didn't knew that because I didn't knew that we need to annotate foldRight because we were using the built-in foldRight that comes in the Scala library. So for me, that was closed. I didn't think that you can annotate it because my reasoning was these functions are as they are, as it is. You should only use them without adding anything else. But it turns out you can annotate those functions arriving in the Scala library to help the inference engine, type inference system. And it was happening again in here, but now we have to experience from that failure problem. It wasn't a failure. From that learning experience, that we can annotate foldRight. This is a homebrew foldRight, which is here, but still we were able to annotate it. we now knew that. And then the thing started to work. We knew empty, it's here, and we can't annotate empty. And now the Scala library was telling us, you're giving me an A, which is what we were mentioning in exists. Where is it? In here. Where is exist? Okay, in here. We were testing, but we were not returning any value, but a Boolean value, not a lazy list. We were not returning a lazy list. So this was okay. And here, it was a different story. We did test on A. Well, we need this thumb. No, this. We did have some B here, but I recall, this is like the filter function. Because in the filter function, we did have to exercise the entire thing, if you remember. We traced the evaluation of filter, so it puts a mark in our memory because it was a little bit hard to do, like have to do that. That expands trace of the evaluation. So now our brain recognized that this is the filter function. This is not takeWhile. We tested, and this is a good point for testing. It was because of the testing that we discovered that we did not have a takeWhile, a correct takeWhile implementation. So we came back and replaced the big with an empty. It was the logical thing to do. I have pending the book, but I am unemployed, so studying something that beautiful like logic in unemployment is not like, it is hard. If you're a student, that's a great thing to spend your time, but if you have the pressure of finding a job and wanting to study any other book, then you're in trouble. But still, in mathematics for the million says that when knowledge become a leisure of some sector of the population, then there is no progress. So I suppose I will have to grab the book, and in the pain of being in this financial situation, having find a way to forget about me being broke, escape with that book to another place in which logic can refrain you. I suppose that is the approach I have to take. If you happen to know about a job, I can, try to help. These videos are not meant to ask for a job. I'm sorry, but I have to say it. Okay, 25 minutes, 24 minutes. I can keep talking for more seconds. Yes, it's 5 o'clock in Mexico, South Mexico, and hopefully you can hear me because I lowered the gain of the microphone. What else can I say? I started another series of live sessions on programming, but solving this kind of job interviews, pro challenge that I don't enjoy too much because they are like nonsense, but I have to do it because I want a job, and that's how the industry is. Thank you very much. Bye.